In this video, I'm going to show you how to create an endless slide in CapCut PC. Launch your CapCut video editor. Create a new project by clicking on Create Project. Import the videos that you want to work with. Beware, your video lengths have to be the same. Drag one video to the timeline. Keep the playhead at the beginning of the video. In the right side menu, click on the position keyframe. Now drag the video to the right side. Go to the end of the video and add another keyframe. Now drag the video to the other side of the frame. Now copy the video on your timeline and paste it side by side 4 times, because we have imported 4 videos this time. Now replace the other videos by dragging them to your copied videos. If your video lengths are different, you can replace them by clicking on Replace. Now it's time to adjust the videos to the position we want. In the first video, go to the frame where the video is exactly in the middle of the frame, and drag the second video to the layer above. Be very precise here, otherwise your clip will be mismatched. Repeat the process for the rest of the videos. Now, if I play the video from the start, you can see that the videos are playing like an endless loop.
Feel free to reach out if you encounter any issues during the process. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe. Comment below if you have any questions. If you need further assistance, consider hiring a professional using the link in this video below.